Follow deer.
Female.
Female follow deer. Yeah.
And the snowing is here too.
Wait, where are we on the map?
Yeah.
Oh, more deer.
What's that thing that we can get? That little whatever you call it. It's all the way over here.
Wait, we're all the way over here? There's a path here, and it can lead to more animals.
What's the Mouflon sheep in the bobcat?
We're here? Dad?
This
Yeah,
place is confusing.
Dad, where's Dad?
He's
It's
right
right
here.
there.
This is a photograph of an open animal. I just saw the picture of it.
Hey, there's the Mouflon. There's the Mouflon.
Guys, we're going now.
No. There's the Mouflon. So, Brad. Okay, Mouflon, red deer.
Baba, did you see that, Baba? What you see over there? Look. What's over there?
Mouflons.
Brad, be careful,
It's a
man.
bowl.
Right here.
What? What's that? What is that?
You're
Tell
chilling.
me what's that?
Yeah, I have a horn.
Yeah, they're called Mouflon.
Mouflons. Mouflon.
Yeah, they're called Mouflon.
Mouflon?
So, red deer, bobcat.
And mommy.
This place is confusing.
Oh, it's a tiger.
Wait, there's a separate path to get to the other animals too.
Let's go around with this.
Oh, there's something over there.
Can you hold it? Can you hold it?
Imagine Josh.
Look, the albino deer.
They are? They're not a hybrid? The back of them.
Oh, Brandon, there's pied deer. Pied deer. Look at the pied deer. Hello.
There's two. You get all the way back by that tree back there.
This deer is just looking at us.
You see them way back there?
He's not interested. Oh, there's a normal one over there, I
Yeah.
think.
And look, here's another one by that tree.
It's a pied deer.
Pied deer. What's
Mommy.
the
Mom,
map?
don't forget
Oh,
something.
Dad has
Don't
it.
forget about the foot and look for the animals.
And